This digital product has made at least $220,000 on Etsy. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create something like this as well as 4 other digital product ideas that are killing it on Etsy right now. All of these products are easy to create using ChatGPT and Canva, have great demand, and can make you up to $1,000 a week if you do it right. I'll walk you through exactly what to do for each product, even if you've never made a digital product in your life. This is as beginner-friendly as it gets. If you want an even deeper, more detailed blueprint with expert advice on how to sell your digital products to hundreds of thousands of people, click the link in the description. This will give you access to all the information you'll ever need, masterclasses, and advice from successful sellers who are making at least 6 figures a year from their digital products. Digital Product 5. Homeschool Planners. The demand for homeschool planners is crazy right now. With so many families homeschooling, parents need tools to keep everything organized. A homeschool planner is basically a digital printable that includes sections for daily lessons, goals, and maybe even some weekly reflections. To make something like this, first decide what sections you want to include. To help, head over to ChatGPT and type in a prompt like this. Once you know the sections, you're going to create each one in Canva, which is super easy to use and is free for a lot of their features. Let's say we want to create a daily schedule or class schedule section in our homeschool planner. We just head over to Canva and type in daily schedule in the templates. I found this class schedule template, which is simple, colorful, and easy to edit. Now I'm just going to open it up and I can change everything a little bit. I think the fonts can be more fun, so I can just go ahead and change the font. I'll change the time so that it's just 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m., and so on. And I'll delete the text where it says period and all of the text under this period column so that the parents can fill this in, which makes it more customizable. I can also head to Elements and add some cute icons like a teddy bear or a happy child holding books. Once your planner is looking good, download it as a high-quality PDF so it's print ready. Repeat the same process for all the other sections that ChatGPT recommended to you. In the end, you should have at least 20 sections. You're going to bundle all of these together and then list them on Etsy with a title like Printable Homeschool Planner for Organized Families. Keywords like homeschool, lesson planner, and printable will help it show up in search results. Price the bundle for around $5. Digital product. 4 alphabet posters. Alphabet posters are a hit with homeschool parents and teachers because they help young kids learn their ABCs. To make one, head to Canva and search for alphabet poster in the templates section and pick one that you like the look of. Let's go with this one as an example. Just open it up and then we can change the colors, the title, the fonts, and the texts and images. We can give it a theme, so we can make this all animal related. Come up with an animal for each letter. You can use ChatGPT for this, and then replace the icons in this template with animal icons, which you can search for in the Elements tab, and then drag and drop them into your Canva design. Once your alphabet poster is done, you'll want to save it as a high-resolution file. You can make a few different visions of the alphabet poster and give different themes like foods or countries, so you can sell a bundle of maybe 5 to 10 alphabet posters. When you list your bundle, give it a title like Printable Alphabet Poster Bundle for Kids and include keywords like classroom decor, kids' room art, and learning printables. You can sell a bundle for around $5, and since they're super easy to make like all the products on this list, they're great for steady passive income. Digital product. 3 recipe cards. Recipe cards are timeless, and they make great kitchen decor or gifts. To make these, go to Canva and search recipe card. Click on filters and choose the landscape option, then apply the filter. Pick a simple template design that looks good. You can either sell a blank recipe card template that the customer can fill out, or you can create a bundle of cards with recipes already on them. To do this, just pick a general topic like easy, healthy breakfasts, then go to ChatGPT and type in this prompt. Then pick a template like this. Delete the text here and replace it with the ChatGPT generated text. Change the icons and images to match your recipe. Change the colors and fonts to make it more unique. Once you're happy, download this and do the same for the other 19 recipes. By the end, you'll have a bundle of attractive recipe cards for easy, healthy breakfast ideas, or whatever topic you choose. When you list this bundle, try a title like Printable Easy Healthy Breakfast Recipe Cards Bundle. Use keywords like recipe cards and healthy breakfast ideas. You can set the price for the bundle at around $5. Digital product. 2 food journals. Food journals are huge for people who want to track meals, plan their week, or stay on top of their health goals. To create one, search for food journal templates in Canva. Pick a simple template like this one. Open it up, change the colors and fonts, maybe add some icons near the title showing food, and customize it to match the theme of your food journals. So for example, if it's targeted at people wanting to lose weight, you'll want to make sure there's an option to write in the number of calories and maybe protein. You get the idea. idea. Once you're happy with this, you can download the food journal and list it on Etsy using a title like Printable Food Journal for Weight Loss and include keywords such as food journal and weight loss. You can sell this by itself for about $1 to $3, or you can include it in a bundle with weight loss recipe cards and charge higher. Always look for ways to add more value, because then you can charge a higher price. Digital product 1. Sewing practice sheets. There are many people who love sewing and want to practice either professionally or usually as a hobby. For this, just head to Canva, open a blank doc, go to Elements, and pick different shapes. For example, we can place 5 straight lines. In another doc, you can do 3 zigzag lines. In another doc, you can do 1 large circle, and so on. You can add some instructions and tips as well, or you can keep it plain. Of course, try to make it look good by using nice, neutral colors and clear, attractive fonts. You can create about 50 of these because they're super simple. Then download them and list them on Etsy as a bundle. You can title this bundle 50 Printable Sewing Practice Sheets and use keywords like sewing patterns and sewing practice. You can sell a bundle for around $5. All of these products are super simple to make and they're high in demand, so there's no reason why you can't get started right away and start making passive income. If you have any questions about how to sell and create these digital products, or if you want to learn more specific prompts and hacks, click the link in the description to join our free Wealthy Club school community. Inside, we share exclusive tips and updates on making money online, and we even do weekly giveaways. It's completely free, and you'll be surrounded by people who are also making money online like you. So check that out. Which of these Etsy products are you thinking of making and selling? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.